This is Yamin, sitting in the wreckage of what once was home. Beside him stands a barefoot child in a torn shirt and short pants, both survivors of silence and smoke. Hope, now nothing more than the broken toy in the child's hand. And Yamin, a man watching the world collapse in slow motion behind him. He dug through the rubble with bleeding hands, searching for his wife and daughters. The child, barefoot and wide-eyed, could only watch, learning what grief looks like. Nights in Gaza are darker now. The sky screams with warplanes. Yamin walks through the shattered streets, holding the child's small hand. Two souls with nowhere left to go. They sit together in silence. A photo in Yamin's hand, a memory of smiles. The child beside him, barefoot, still too young to understand the weight of loss. Somewhere between the smoke and the stones, the child cries. No shoes, no home. Just a teddy bear and a wart too large for such small shoulders. Yamin kneels in the blackened grove, where he once planted trees with his father. The barefoot child stands beside him. What once grew peace now breeds only ashes. In the hollow belly of a broken building, Yamin shields the child. Jets roar above. The child clings to his torn shirt, to the last sense of safety he has left. They move through the bones of the city. The child walks barefoot across sharp rubble. Behind him, Yamin follows, guarding what little remains. There's nothing left to give, except a piece of bread, torn in half. Yamin hands it to the child. No words, just the soft language of survival. Under a sky that no longer promises stars, Yamin whispers her name, Ahlam. The barefoot child sleeps beside him, curled in a blanket of dust and dreams. At dawn, they walk toward the light. Yamin, and the child with torn clothes and bare feet. No home, no answers, just each other, and the will to keep moving.